Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'm going to show you this quick and delicious ginger chicken recipe that you can make on a busy weeknight. It comes together in under 15 minutes. It's easy on the pocket and it serves 4 people. So, without further ado, let's get in the kitchen. You'll need the following items for this meal: soy sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. You can add chopped veggies such as cabbage, bok choy, or you can make this dish using no veggies if you don't have them on hand. I'm going to be using carrots as a garnish. I'll also use chopped green onions and, of course, the star of the show, some fresh diced ginger. I'm using a spoon to peel the ginger. I find it's easier to do so. This will allow you to easily remove the skin from your ginger. You can add fresh chilies if you want. After you have chopped all your veggies, go ahead and add a wok or frying pan on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and then go ahead and saute your onions. And then add your We'll saute the cabbage for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we'll add any additional veggies such as sweet peppers. I'll be using fish sauce because it gives it a nice flavor. If you don't have fish sauce on hand, you can use soy sauce. Just a splash is perfect. Now once your veggies are pretty much cooked, make a space in the center and add your ground meat. I'm using chicken for this recipe, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add your soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar. If you happen to have Chinese cooking wine on hand, you can add it here, about 2 tablespoons, and let that cook and simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we'll add our chopped green onions. Go ahead and mix 1/3 of a cup of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we'll add that to our pot. Give it some time to bubble on your heat and simmer. We'll also be using brown sugar in this recipe. The brown sugar provides a nice balance between the saltiness of the soy sauce and the fish sauce. And just like that, you've made a sweet ginger chicken stir-fry, an easy and delicious meal for a busy weeknight. You can go ahead and serve this on a bed of rice. I'm adding sliced cucumbers and fresh carrots. Just offers a little freshness to the dish. And dinner is served. You can also use this recipe as a filling for tortillas and make a wrap out of them. Add fresh shredded lettuce to your wrap and this would also be just as delicious. If you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you appreciate time-saving, easy meals, please subscribe to our channel. I'd love to welcome you to the greenhouse. Please type ginger in the comments so I can welcome you to the channel. Take care of yourself, my beloved. Remember, the grass is greener where you water it. See you next time.